Hello guys! So, gagawa tayo ng bread. So, ang pinakamadali na gawin and hindi masyadong mabigat sa tiyan or hindi tawag dito, hindi nakakakulo ng tiyan, is peanut butter and jelly. Sa amin ha, so, gawa tayo ng peanut butter and jelly. Siguro mga 3 or 4 na sandwiches. And then, dapat magbaon din tayo ng tubig.
Hello guys! So, pupunta kami ngayon ng waterfalls. So, medyo malayo to. And, ayaw ko masyadong gumastos ng food on the way kasi medyo pricey na ngayon, 'di ba, lahat. And then also, ayoko din kumain ng mabigat sa tiyan kasi ayokong nagsi-CR sa labas. So, what I do or what we do is nagbabaan kami ng peanut butter and jelly. So, para hindi siya mabigat sa tiyan, hindi nakakakulo ng tiyan, hindi sasakit ang tiyan namin. So, and then hindi rin kami mapapagastos. Ito yung pinaka madali or sabihin na nating cheap way, para hindi kami gumasa sa labas. So, and then kailangan din ng energy sa pag-hike dahil medyo mahaba yung hike down nito and pababa, pataas. And also mainit ngayon, so kailangan din ng maraming tubig. So when you're hiking, you rehydrate ang dapat mag-rehydrate ka before the day you go in hike. So guys, pupunta tayo sa Cummins Falls sa Tennessee. Medyo malayo yung biyahe, so I slept, sa road dahil galing ako ng duty the other night. So wala pa akong tulog, but I really, really want to go here. It's one in my sa bucket list ko kasi lagi ko siyang nakikita, nakikita ko sa Facebook. So nakita ko siya, ang ganda niya. So I really, really wanna see it. Sana hindi umulan kasi usually kapag umuulan, kino-close nila yung gorge o yung sa baba nung sa waterfalls. Kasi kapag umuulan, maraming tubig and risky siya sa lunod, ganyan, maagos ka. So, masatangay ka ng agos. So, sometimes, kino-close nila yon. So, seems like today, it's a nice day. So, let's go and see it. So, hopefully, it's open. I keep checking their Facebook page para malaman ko kung close ba sila or open. Kasi malayo yung biyahe namin, no? So, parang ayoko rin masayang din yung biyahe namin. Layo talaga. Like 4 hours or 5 hours. So, but for me, it's worth it. So, ito na siya. Ito yung entrance niya. And ang daming tao. Ang daming sasakyan nakapark. So guys, to go to the gorge, you need a permit. So I forgot how much it is. It's not that expensive. I think it's only $7 or $10. So para bumaba ka dun sa mismong waterfalls, you have to pay online for $7 or $10 per person. So ang Cummins Falls sa Tennessee is 8 siya sa largest waterfalls in terms of volume ng water and 75 feet high. And maraming nagpupunta dito na mga tourists, locals din, ganun. So we haven't been here, so let's go. And I'm so excited. Warning, this is just an attempt because hindi namin alam kung gaano kahirap yung hiking. If you can, and then kasi mainit din kasi if you can see, I had to buy a shirt and pants for today kasi yung mga pants na or mga pang hike na gamit ko is pang cold weather. So kailangan kong bumili ng mga maninipis lang. Okay? And then I also bought a shoes na pwedeng mabasa kasi ayokong gamitin yung mga shoes ko na hindi naman waterproof or anything. So anyway, sa mga hindi pa nasa-subscribe, please subscribe or just kung ayaw mag-subscribe, please share na lang. Okay, thank you.
If the jacket comes a million years, it is too big. And it's so long. If the straps are zippers, why not plug?
People. Yeah, I know. Oh, okay. Nice, right?
Yeah. This is pretty tired. It's warm.
So it's like, must be a nice job, right? Oh, poor thing. We could ask them to apply. If you're gonna apply, what are you gonna do?
need a biology degree.
Really? I bought extra shirt for you too. And short. Oh, I know, not shorts.
I wear my dance shoes. We're not going to swim anymore.
No, we just walk the thing. So, guys, I have all trails. Yun ang gamit ko for the yung trails. I bet it's gonna be hard later. Oopsie.
Take our time.
I can just roll into the gorge.
You had a mountain bike.
I know, right? But the good thing here is it's full of trees. So hindi siya masyadong yung impact ng init niya. Hindi masyado. Ang daming tao pataas na. Pabalik na sila. We'll just enjoy it. Ang suot ko lang guys is ito lang chinelas, sandals na non-slippery. Oh.
This was a long one too.
It's like where is it? Over here or?
Because the water's going to miss it.
That's true. Yeah, tignan nyo. Well, I'll just get wet. I mean, I'm wearing a sandals. Like that. Yeah, be careful, babe. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's slippery in this. Are you okay? It's like that. So, huwag ka na lang pupunta dun sa gitna. Parang madulas. Sa gitna. Yeah. Sabi 20 minutes. We're in 20 minutes walking. Fun fact, guys. Yan. May history din tong na to, lugar na to eh. Ayan. No choice but to walk.
siya masyadong malalim. Malamig nga siya eh. Sarap maglakad. Shit. Okay. So madulas kasi doon. Madulas yung mga ano. Ang init guys. Limutan ko yung pantali ko. Ah! It says no lifeguard. Cummins Falls. So entrance is $7 for permit. Do you think it's worth it? Walking
Yeah,
in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah? From 1 to 10 from all of the falls that we went.
Well, I mean, it's not
Yeah.
complete, you know, I mean, I would say it's probably like an 8.5.
8.5. It's drought season.
Yeah, probably in the spring it was probably crazy, like over,
Yeah.
like, probably all the water.
Yeah. Pwedeng maligo. Dapat yung mga bata meron silang life jacket. Sorry, life jacket. See, I like this pants. Look. It's not wet.
Because it's hot.
No.
Sure, it's like a jacket.
Yeah.
It makes a difference. If you have those other ones and
Yeah.
then it got wet, it's going to be even hotter or something.
So, yan. Oh, it's breezy. It's good. So, it's good. Tapos may overlook din doon sa taas. Doon. Pwede doon sa taas. Doon hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng permit kapag titingnan mo lang naman yung waterfall. Marami nang umaalis, marami ring bumabalik. Dumarating. Tapos may isa silang nagbabantay na ranger. Kasi bawal ang level 3. Ito, here, definitely.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Kasi, so may ranger kasi level 3. So it's not allowed to go on the under the falls. Remove your shoes. Siguro kung pupunta kayo dito, dapat ready kayong maligo. Ano? Sobrang init ba naman eh. Maya naliligo na yan. Binabasa niya unti-unti yung ano.